In the southern part of the city, there is a large property on the east side of Euclid Avenue that has been vacant for 20 years. Located between Bickmore and Pine, this property was envisioned as a regional retail shopping center when the preserve-specific plan was adopted in 2003. But over the years, the rise of internet shopping has changed market demand. In today's market, constructing a new physical retail space faces significant financial feasibility challenges. One idea to help bring retail to this site to serve residents of the area and to create a more feasible development is to permit new retail stores and restaurants along Euclid Avenue that would be smaller in scale, light industrial or manufacturing uses at the back of the property and screened from the street. Market demand for light industrial land is strong, so the concept would support the viability of development. The merge in the city of Eastvale involves a similar concept and can serve as a model for Chino. It's a mid-sized shopping mall with retail and restaurants along the street frontage and industrial buildings behind, screened from view and designed to match other buildings on the site. The implementation strategy for this idea would involve the following key actions. The city would create land use and zoning regulations that permit commercial, services, and restaurant uses along the major street frontage, with small-scale light industrial and manufacturing uses permitted behind at the interior of the site if screened from view. The city would work with transportation agencies to prioritize construction of the Pine Avenue connector to Highway 71, which would improve access for Chino residents and also create a relief route for commuters who would patronize the new commercial, service, and restaurant uses. The city would establish and enforce performance standards and good neighbor policies to ensure compatibility of industrial and commercial uses on the site with surrounding residential uses. These standards would manage truck traffic and control noise to minimize impacts. Finally, the city would work with Orange County Flood Control District to create publicly accessible passive open space on the southern portion of the site for the enjoyment of community members. This portion of the site is located within a floodplain and is unable to be developed. Overall, this concept taps into market demand for light industrial manufacturing spaces and capitalizes on the site's location on a major regional thoroughfare to realize the vision for a variety of retail options in the preserve.